Sounds like he's having a bad day. Oh, yeah, that's right. Well, and I kept it up this morning. It was tough. Hi, David.
What we really want to do, I think, is just take a picture of both.
I'm getting Graham so he can be in the picture.
Yeah, get Graham to be in the picture.
Oh, I see what you're saying. The higher the number, the newer. Yeah, exactly. I don't think any of these are
Got to get cold there, Jay? Ah.
For Joe might show up.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. That'll screw it up.
No. Very good.
Well, not unless you're considered.
That's on a camera, eh?
Everybody's here to celebrate. Why would everyone?
You guys, there's a camera behind you.
Hello. Toilet time as usual.
The Vulcan mind warp.
Yeah.
Is it unsettling?
As long as nobody's in front of me, I'm playing around.
Moving much right now.
Feel like that?
Yeah.
And you have to drive down for 4 in the middle and
Get that moving. Oh, just by squeezing. Let's see. What big friend? I didn't mean yeah, exactly. I withdraw the comment.
He squeezed his mind out.
He's still partying, just wake up after 4 hours sleep like we used to. The plan is.
Hi, Bob.
Gotta leave it to the experts.
No, that's the ice.
I like to support my race. I only see white artists.
Heterosexual white with a Christian face.
I like to see a homophobic right-wing Christian rock.
Congratulations in order. Sarah Bell. David Lavely. Pippa. David Lavely. Chris Ross.
Yeah, of course.
Jean Marier.
Brother Chris?
I know Jean. And Chris. Yeah.
That's my sister Caroline.
Mike Hopkins.
Well, I guess I should have a beer, so I'll be around. Why is this guy here? Go up right. Yes, yeah. Why is he so grumpy? Because he wasn't in attendance. The wind seems to be picking up.
The title wasn't mine.
Well, we're all standing on the wall, really.
Well, the thing is, as soon as we get out there,
Yeah, at least Aggies showed up.
Oh, really?
So you can't go partying the night before again.
First seater is David going to be first.
well, I will be. Wouldn't you sort of go to last year's results and decide the seeds based on those results?
The wind has just come up, David.
Yeah.
I'm going to do qualifying next year.
Those are ducks by there.
Yeah.
Look at them. There's another one.
As he
Okay,
renders
what you
me,
do is right here.
monocled.
Oh.
Yeah. Why don't you do it the other way?
Hold my hand all day? Look at this, Chris.
Yeah, so you push your lips.
So much skill.
That's when you know you're like kind of fun. That's how it manifests itself.
Here's me, so he's okay to win, right?
Then I realized standing beside her. Well, could be Christine.
Yeah, that's what it's worth making of it.
Gotta get used to it.
It does better without Graham.
It works. It works. Very unorthodox, but it works. You just let go of it.
Like a dart.
We went up to the buoy that's right against the Keekler's Wharf. Well, I was 5 minutes
Oh my goodness, they're everywhere. What's going on? Spiders.
Leslie, it's because they're sinking the dock.
What do you say, Chief?
We got a birthday cake. I got a little birthday cake.
Now you got my attention.
Dessert? Someone squished him. Ours is over there. Oh, we can hear everything. It's okay.
That's the one. This one?
Ours is over here. He's going to see his mommy. See he's crawling on the tree. See him? You see him?
He's going.
See him?
He's not touched anymore.
No. That's a different one. This is the one.
Let's stop this one. He always sees his mommy. He will see his mommy.
1 by 10. Straight through.
No, Daddy, Daddy.
Pee break.
Is it his mommy?
There's no tennis there.
You saw what? Oh. What color? Did it have yellow?
Yeah.
Was it big?
Maddie, what do you have in your hand?
These men are not very flexible.
An alligator?
Just watching from here.
Wow.
I want to watch Daddy.
Like your father's golden
Daddy,
locks.
look at me. Daddy. I want to watch.
Just as well, actually, because they
after you finish your beers.
Why don't you have another beer?
such unsportsmanlike conduct.
Maddie, can I sit on your step?
No, I have to sit here.
Is it dirty? Oh, do you want to clean here so I can sit? Clean me a spot, okay? Oh, clean a spot for Dad to sit? Okay, Dad. Dad's cleaning a spot for you to sit.
I'll block the way.
Oh, that's nice and clean. Perfect. You can sit now, Dad. Always can use when we're having dessert. She cleaned this whole step for us to sit on.
Oh, did she? Yep. You didn't do the one for Carol Ann or but oh, dirty.
Hi, I'm Jay.
I've got your anchor for you.
How are you?
And I'm going to get a body
No, I
to
don't
go
think
with
so
you.
either. Well, I've heard about you too. All good things.
Hi, Peter. Bob Keekler, Peter. Bob, how are you? That's right, yes, sure, yeah. Well, we were at the annual meeting, so we were able to capture ourselves. Getting the information.
Oh, yeah, the right people on the board.
Oh, yes?
She's probably still out there somewhere. Oh, yeah.
because I don't want you sitting here and getting
Very. She was my wife. We were married. But that girl's died. Good thing
It's like the Queen Mother. There's your mother, right, guys?
There was.
These are Spencer.
Why are you kids?
Oh, hello, Spencer. That's Cynthia's, right?
Oh, Maddie. Watch out, Mommy. We're coming down, and I'm probably taking dirt down with me. I don't know.
Caroline, I don't want you to fall in the lake. I got her.
Well, I'm not about to fall in the lake. I'm going to stop. I'm right in the blueberries now, Maddie. I got to stop. I don't want to crush any blueberries. Do you see any blueberries in there?
You got that look up. Hello.
My round of applause, please.
What's that?
Look who's some puppet.
You went down on the dock.
Like puppet?
Look who's some puppet.
Like who's some puppet?
You should be proud of it today. That looks very nice.
We're not having any race. No races.
You should be proud of it today, though, Bob. That looks great out there with the boats.
Oh, it's gonna rain over there.
Then it's going to come over here.
Yeah, we're getting.
Looks like it'll come over there.
Are those the only kind of races you go in now, John? Where there's no
He's going.
The wind is now.
Ah, you just tripped.
No. You weren't. That's a good sound.
Up front there.
I'm getting used to it.
I'm going blind.
Jeff, can I just, you're going to leave the pom-pom go?
Cheers. Yeah, there you go. Get a beverage for this.
If I get too hot, I could walk. What'd you like? The Dayford house here.
Is your watch waterproof?
Changing my voice?
Yes, I did.
I remarked on how your voice was a little higher than it was before.
So what's the plot here?
Well, someone's gonna say go.
Oh, really?
Wimp man.
Graham, we all think that your boat's gonna win, so would you get in it? We do. We have faith in you, Graham.
Yeah, we like the colors of your sail.
It's the secret, actually.
Listen.
Graham, we're not having Victor. You sort of, that's the start line.
I'll be the referee.
Perfect. There, that's. Oh. Turns everybody else up better.
Take off anyway. He's gonna swim faster than they're sailing.
Who's the fish when they swim?
Should I turn away?
First minute.
Want you to come with me?
Victor's warming the water up for you, Leslie.
I'm not worried about the water being cold.
Graham has the same style of skill that Jay does in moving his boat around.
Yeah, Graham's good sound.
Okay.
He was the one who won the one where they all had a child in the boat with them.
We're all going that way. Come back this way. We're all going towards you.
Always in the way.
We're all going towards you. The race.
Where's the start line?
Well, it's
They're
between
calling
the-
it now.
Oh, yeah, right,
and the
okay.
boat.
Oh, right.
So they've got to cut across there. So he is in the way.
Now, didn't Jay start with a decided head start there?
He looked like he's cheating.
Yes, I would have
No,
said
he
the
just-
same
No, he
thing.
just caught the line, I think. That's why he was coming across.
In our race,
Is there a race or
that
there
counts.
Yeah.
But they said no race.
I haven't seen anybody.
You're only kidding.
Ils sont partis.
So is he not?
Oh, there's a nice wind.
Yay, the wind's up.
Wow, the wind started. The wind's coming today.
No, and
guys are all, but they're all stealing each other because they're so close together. They're all stealing their each other's wind.
Lots of gusts and lots of change.
Yeah, you want to be on the outside, don't you, to
You've
grab
gotta be
it?
quite
Uh-oh.
athletic in these
Uh-oh.
things too, I think, yeah.
Uh-oh, and there we
Uh-oh.
go. There's the ends on the track.
Well, somebody's making
Wow.
a show, but they're going to miss the trees coming out, no?
Bob Gauthier? I would do color commentary if I knew who anyone was.
A bunch of them look pretty good.
He wasn't even in line.
That's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yay, Cindy!
Yeah.
Mom, how did Jake get all the way up there?
He caught wind.
cheated. He cheated.
just went parallel to the start line.
Yeah, he ran parallel and then cut the...
Stole everyone's wind.
He has more gas than anyone.
Yep. Especially with the mic right over your head.
Well,
Perfect.
I told him, anybody who wins in my boat, I get 10% of the winnings.
Oh, Mum keeps being surprised by the fact that it's our boat.
Yay!
There we go. That's a good shot.
That's a good thing to know about, though.
Yeah.
It's a technique I hadn't seen before.
She's going faster than someone.
Yeah. Just continue doing that. You're all set.
Now, where do they know when to come around?
Well, there's a buoy out there.
Oh, there is a buoy.
It's hard to see from
Yeah,
here.
right.
But it's somewhere between our dock, which is where those three people are,
Oh, right.
and right across.
Yeah.
So it's hard to see from here.
He lost his lead, but
No, I can't see it.
We just saw you.
What color is it?
Well, I think I see it.
Is it yellow?
What have you?
Is it yellow?
Yeah, well,
I think it's just to the left of our dock.
Yeah, well, I can see something there. Yeah.
That could well be it.
They're praying desperately for wind.
If it isn't that, that's close.
Everyone stops moving because the wind stops.
Well, now Jay really made a mistake there.
Now he's dead in the water.
He took a strong tack, and the others.
Turned around to laugh at him.
So funny.
No, he's caught it now.
Someone yell out,
He may have caught it up.
Yeah.
I would.
Yeah, he's moving
Gonna have
now.
to ease off.
Well, I'm known for
Hard to know
saying
exactly
things
how
like
close
not
he
you.
is.
I need to change my wrap up here.
Yeah, that's right.
Now that we're close
I'd stick to Rice Krispies if I were you from now on.
Maybe I can get this
He's taking their wind, if there is any.
Got more to lose. Like a reputation.
So Carol, they go there and they come back?
Well, those are good sailors.
Carol,
Yeah.
all of that.
Yeah.
That's what they do? So
Normally they go through.
Is your Zoom going till there?
normally, what do they do?
Normally they have buoys all throughout the other side of the lake, way over there, and then one over there.
Yeah, you see a red one down there.
Yeah.
And they usually go around twice, but today they'll be there till breakfast. So.
Well, they're not doing badly.
I brought paddles down earlier. They're over there.
Oh, yeah?
I think it's Jay and the Finley boat that are in contention.
Well, I checked the thermometer said it was 23.
We'll rejoin in about 10 minutes. That's just a few more minutes later. Oh, that was Leslie diving in. We'll scroll over to that when Victor sits down.
Oh well.
Keep looking on your right, and you'll see like the old road.
Yeah, I'm getting out because I got cramps in my whole body.
Oh Lord.
Just a wee bit cold.
Oh, come on, Annabelle, you can do it.
Oh, I think Jay's still in the lead.
Is he? This is us coming at us.
Yes.
You're very polite.
Yes. Yes, Eddie.
Yeah.
He never.
Oh, is this it? This is the final stretch here?
We're going around to that buoy over there, so.
Which way?
Warmer now? Warmer? Not enough. Too much.
Hey, Rachel. I think Mummy's third now.
She is outside. Yeah.
You're making much better progress than they are.
You found the answer, Claude.
How deep is it? Over your head.
Over your head.
No danger to be splash.
Oh God, no. Not unless you're driving straight down.
Wrong stories.
And open your eyes, you can see everything. Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
It's all around the port side of the boat.
Where's Andy? Is Andy down here?
She must be up.
Connoisseur, if you please. Connoisseur.
Go Ali, Ali.
Oh,
Mom.
Graham's getting overtaken here now by
Mom's getting us on
David.
plans.
Good for her.
And Jean, maybe.
Jay's gonna ram.
They're all stealing his wind?
I don't know.
What's happening?
That's kind of fun.
Wow. Daddy.
How come Jean's actually near the
Jean's
beginning?
coming up the outside.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's your mama.
I would not like to be calling right about now.
Do they go on the boat again?
You can stand in front of me if you want. It doesn't get in my
Do they
way.
go on the boat when my phone?
We're not sure actually what they're doing.
Well, they seem to be
Oh, there's the one with the 3 numbers on it.
Now Jean's second.
He didn't know what he...
He broke out of the pack.
Mom, stop. They're doing it again?
Oh, they've got some.
Oh, because of wind, maybe?
How are you?
They're fighting again. They're fighting again.
My brother, Jay. He's never around.
Maddie's leaving.
No, Mom!
Big wins.
No, he goes daddy to say bye to everyone. I'm gonna go say bye to Andy and Peter. Oh.
Done this before.
He's the biggest. Oh my God. Dad.
Wait for me now. Whoa, them's fighting words.
Bye, sweetie pie. I'll hold on to it while you say goodbye to everybody.
David's got a good bit of wind there now.
Sorry.
Hi, guys. How are you? Yeah, we're gonna hit the canoe.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, Dad. That's Granddad. That's it.
Is the baby sleeping?
Charlie, everything well. We just encountered this problem.
Claude, do you want to be tied up?
Oh, you can't.
It was like new for Charlie. He hadn't seen it probably, doesn't remember it. So what's this? I said, actually, this used to be your rattle, but now it's
Trying, but not.
Sophie's rattle, Charlie's rattle. I said, Charlie, you're too big to play with this now. Don't care, not Sophie.
Whoa.
Okay. And that's when he pitched it on her head and made her cry. Oh yeah, who knows the rule?
That's fun.
There.
Okay.
That's right. That's right. All right across. Yes. Okay. Yeah.
kind of lost track.
Well, we're probably making lots of noise for you this weekend.
Not at all. Not at all. Why is everybody going?
I think she's going the other way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so we're all
He's 60. The big 6-0.
See, Mommy's going away from us.
Okay, come here. We'll go
She has
now.
to get down to the marker to turn around. Well, it's hard to tell, Rachel. You never know.
I think Graham's second last.
Well, it's only because of the boat. I mean, even I could win in that boat.
Even though you haven't sailed.
Yeah, I think you should go around and lap the field.
Yeah. Now I guess the rest of us actually do have to learn how to sail it.
I'm going to take my sailboat.
Okay, you first. You go ahead, Caroline.
I've already signed up for lessons.
Oh, you have?
Don't tell too many big secrets, Lisa. Oh, it's a tight one.
Yeah. Well, it rained on my wedding. I'm still waiting for it.
Somebody grabbed some wind. Oh, look at that.
Oh, is it, Richard.
Holy cow, I think Jean was third.
Oh, my dad's not there.
Who was wearing his shirt? Who had one of the shirts?
Oh, my dad and Cynthia Spencer. Been sailing longer than anyone here.
You know what?
It's the race for last place now.
Yep.
Racing around here is more aggressive than the Olympics, David.
Yeah, it got pretty tough.
Who's gonna, oh, the wind's died again? Oh.
I don't want to go first to him either.
There are two members of the race that will be must go up on the lawn and have the buttons taken off their jacket. Drop the buttons first. They're 2 years behind.
You're one.
You're both. You instigated it. 5 minutes for fighting.
You know what, though? If we're going to go for life,
What do you think I was going to do? You missed. That's
because one is going to come out. And it all depends. Yeah,
Where to make it exciting?
didn't we learn that?
Heard himself that way. Have a much higher voice.
Well, just try getting it out.
I lost my appetite.
Hi, Richard. How are you?
I'm fine. You did well.
The person that has the first win.
No, not really on the work. Too many boats.
You had a couple of people. But then you guys started catching up right there. You got a great win. We had more fun.
Yeah, they're all ringers.
And they're all over in San Sebastian?
I'm glad.
Yeah.
You guys can have all the fun you want. I like to win.
Congratulations, félicitations.
The bumper cars. You were trying to get them in, eh?
I wanted to.
Yeah.
I wanted to. Because the lights look like.
Yeah.
Now the wind picked up and the race is actually completed.
Well, the Putzians framed the race. Yes.
There's a ladies' race.
We had to fight who's going to be first.
I never go in it 'cause I'm the only one.
You're the winner.
And I knew that if I dragged, I lost it. So, it would have been another victim in between.
Oh, you would have made sure. He wasn't prepared for the whole
Gotcha.
I got you too, I got a still.
Yeah, if you tried to
Yeah.
And you can't pull it up. If you keep the whole thing towards the front, you can lift it up that way.
Where's your...
I left sleep.
No, I'm taking it out. He couldn't
Did you go off into the house?
That's correct.
Well, I'll take a look at it. Michael could look at it.
So,
I wish you were out there. Skill has nothing to do with it. That's right. You have to do Greco-Roman wrestling.
You're close, and that gives a beautiful stuff for the celebration of the convention.
C'est ça que j'en ai fait, mais en ce moment, je fais ma retraite. Directeur exécutif de la Société internationale d'urologie. Pourquoi? Parce que... Non, moi...
I have half an hour left. Do you think I can film much more idle?
Full.
If you gather a little closer here, I won't have to shout. And if Carol and Pam would stop arguing. Carol, Pam. Could you come over here just closer so we won't have to. First of all, I want to. Incidentally, I'm a Commodore, and the reason I was chosen as Commodore is they wanted an untainted person to take on the job, and they took the one who had the least skills in sailing, and that was my qualification. I'm grateful for the Potiers to have lent us their space here. It saved us a little bit of time, but this is a special occasion in the life of the Potiers, and I guess everybody knows that Jean reached his 40th this week.
Hip hip! Hooray!
You would have thought he would have grown up by now, but it's not the case.
Why?
Who's got the best voice, Pam? Let's sing a happy birthday for Jean.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jean. Happy birthday to you.
An unusual season for us. Somebody was telling us yesterday that we've had rain 20 of the last 22 weekends.
Oh, Lord.
So we wiped out a number of races and clinics, and it was quite a disaster, as today almost was. I had asked in the newsletter that any of you who had a special connection with the great sailor in the sky intercede on our behalf.
David spoke to him.
And he said no.
And you see the results.
Somebody else
He
has
said
that
who?
responsibility next year.
I was rather perplexed. I didn't know whether somebody had not interceded or had interceded, or perhaps there was an intersection and the response was indicative of the indication of the state of morality at Valdurn, but I guess that's
That too.
we have a number of trophies, and we have a new treasurer. Bernard got sick of doing it, and Kiefler is already sick of doing it. But I must say that he was very generous, and he gave me a very large budget to do this thing. And that's what all of these little things are here.
Flying them with liquor again, eh, Keith?
That's because you didn't give him anything last time.
Sorry.
That's for Michael.
What's this trophy?
That's a junior.
Oh, not Michael.
It's the President's Cup
That's yeah. It was Emma
for the President's
and,
race.
David last year.
Okay, all right.
It's also used for brandy.
So getting back to the budget, there was all of these things. Kiefler was very generous. He gave me a budget of $10. All of this stuff that you see here cost, and I'll show you the invoice, cost $10.35. So I'll make up the extra 35. This thing has absolutely no reason. The only reason it is because it's for the second place winner in the seniors, and it's a candle. You know, anybody who's tried to do business with Lately around here finds that without a telephone, it's a real son of a gun. So what we're going to give him as a reward for his coming second is this. When he's in residence, we'd ask him to put it on and please light it on your dock so we don't have to run all over the damn place to find out whether you're here and make unnecessary trips over.
Yay!
Here, give it to him.
Wait a sec. That didn't sound good.
Yeah. We want a speech.
This year, for the first time, we have very, very valuable cash prizes. We're going upscale. We have this will be given to there's $1,000 bills, $100 bills,
I have it.
and this will go to the junior who won in the president's race, and this one will go to the person who came second, and I'll have to find out who that is. The seniors this year, for a change, has been won by Graham Finley.
Protest.
The interesting thing about this race was that even if for foul behavior we had disqualified both Laidley and Finley, the result would have come out the same. So.
He won the only race.
He's saying this is the only race?
Yeah.
You know, if there's not enough room, I just could take some of these ladies off.
Yeah.
There's going to be more next year. All the ladies are going to
Thank you, Julie.
The women's wasn't that close because it had to do with making appearances, but doing well in the race. So Cynthia Spencer, where's she?
Right here.
Yay! That's a chip off the old block.
There they go, Cynthia.
Hey, she's going to take over where her father left off.
That's right.
Oh, God. You want to say a few words about the garbage?
Take one of these exquisite cups while you're here. This has been won by Bolton, Spencer, Johnson, Spencer,
all the old parts.
Johnson, Spencer. And this year, it has been won by our birthday boy.
Here, here.
Lately, I beat you. Doesn't qualify.
No, it doesn't.
Now, we have the president's race, and the president's race this year was won by Graham Finley, only because he had Mike Usher Jones as his.
Who's got it from last year?
Which one is it for the president?
That one.
It's right there.
No. No.
That's for the last
The
race.
cognac, the
The snifter.
There you
Yeah.
are.
For the young lad.
It's only been dropped 3 times.
Which one do you want? The big money?
So what, hesitation there?
You stay here. Now here's something. This trophy here is for juniors, and as you know, I think we're in a no. Stay here, Mike. This year, like other years, we haven't had a junior race, and I guess we're in an intergenerational gap or something around here. And some of the kids are going to be coming along. So what we'd like to do, rather than have this reside at the Commodore's house and sit there with no from new junior races, what we'd like, since Mike was the winner with Graham of the President's race.
Oh, that hardware, right?
We don't have a camera.
No, we'll take a picture in a minute. We'll just.
We don't have a.
No, Dorothy has it. I haven't even sailed this year. I'm going to be a rookie again next year.
Jamie. Move, Jamie. Wait.
John, would you like to be in that one too?
He wins it. I win it through him. I will.
Richard,